Keep a regular schedule in sleeping. If you want to know the truth, please listen to this. My name is Fatima from classicalhealing.com. Time management plays an important role in the process of providing a person with a rejuvenating sleep every night. It's one of the most significant factors that can really help a person to sleep for almost 8 hours during evening hours while aiming to have a good quality of sleep. Time management usually allows a person to manage a set of activities more effectively during day hours. It can help a person to accomplish a task faster and more efficiently from time to time. Proper time management can always provide a person with a chance to attain a good quality of sleep every night since it works excellently in the process of preventing stressful moments. It's one of the things that can help a person fight the negative effects of stress more effectively. Time management can also provide a person with a sufficient amount of time for relaxation every night while preparing to sleep, and it starts with the ability of a person to keep a regular schedule. It's really important to keep a regular schedule while aiming to achieve a good quality of nightly sleep every night. This is because it can help a person manage several tasks easily while reserving sufficient amount of time for sleep during evening hours. Time management and sleep. Proper time management is very important in the process of organizing a regular schedule. It helps people maximize the use of time in their daily routines. To keep a regular schedule can provide several kinds of amazing benefits in the daily living of a person. First, it allows a person to save more time in the process of accomplishing a set of tasks. Therefore, it works excellently in the process of increasing the daily productivity of an individual. Second, it's a powerful protection against stress that people can use regularly to keep their daily living happy and highly protected from the negative effects of stress as the time passes by. In other words, it can also help people protect themselves from several kinds of sleep disorders that can be associated with stress and anxiety. But the most interesting benefit that it can offer in the daily living of all people in this world is a good quality of nightly sleep. Time management allows a person to keep a regular schedule in a very excellent way. An 8-hour sleep during evening hours will never be too difficult for a person to achieve with the help of this amazing strategy. It will not just provide a person with a rejuvenating sleep every night, but also it can help a person to be more enthusiastic and full of energy during day hours. It also encourages a person to spend more time on recreational activities during day hours instead of having a siesta. Those people who don't want to be victimized by any type of sleep disorder for the rest of their lives should never hesitate to rely on all benefits that proper time management can provide in their daily living.